Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome to my channel first video. Today we've got an exciting topic to discuss that's been revolutionizing the way we work and live: artificial intelligence tools. In this video we'll dive into what AI tools are, how we manage without them, the advantages they bring, a glimpse into the future, the top 5 free and incredibly useful AI tools you should know about, and a cautionary note about their potential drawbacks. Let's get started. What are AI tools? First things first, what exactly are AI tools? Well, they're software or applications powered by artificial intelligence algorithms designed to enhance various aspects of our lives. They can analyze data, automate tasks, and even make decisions based on patterns and insights they discover. Remember the days when we had to sift through mountains of data manually? Or when everyday tasks seemed never-ending? Life before AI tools was undoubtedly challenging. But now, with the advent of AI, things have changed dramatically. Advantages of AI tools. The advantages of AI tools are numerous. They can save time, increase efficiency, and reduce human error. They're transforming industries from healthcare to finance and everything in between. With AI tools, we're more productive and can make better decisions faster. So why should you embrace AI tools in your life? Well, they'll help you lead a smarter, more efficient life. From personal assistance to energy-saving solutions, AI tools can make your daily routine smoother and more sustainable. Looking ahead, the future of AI tools is incredibly promising. We can expect more sophisticated tools that will understand and adapt to our needs even better. They'll play a pivotal role in fields like autonomous vehicles, healthcare, and climate change mitigation. While AI tools offer countless benefits, it's essential to consider potential disadvantages. One significant concern is the potential loss of jobs as automation becomes more prevalent. Routine tasks that were once done by humans may now be performed by AI, impacting certain industries and employment sectors. Google's TensorFlow. TensorFlow is a versatile and widely used open-source framework for machine learning and deep learning. It provides a comprehensive ecosystem for developing and training machine learning models. TensorFlow is known for its flexibility and scalability, making it a go-to choice for researchers, developers, and companies in various industries. IBM Watson Studio. IBM Watson Studio is a robust platform designed for data analytics and predictive modeling. It offers a collaborative environment where data scientists and analysts can work together to develop and deploy machine learning models. Watson Studio simplifies data preparation, model development, and deployment, making it accessible for both beginners and experts. OpenAI's GPT-3. GPT-3, developed by OpenAI, stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3 and is perfect for natural language processing (POM) tasks. It's known for its ability to generate human-like text and is used in various applications, such as chatbots, content generation, and language translation. GPT-3 has been a game-changer in the field of NLP due to its ability to understand and generate text that's contextually relevant. Hootsuite Insights. Hootsuite Insights is an essential tool for social media analytics and monitoring. It allows businesses and marketers to track social media performance, gather insights about their audience, and monitor trends and conversations. With AI-driven features, Hootsuite Insights helps users make data-informed decisions to improve their social media strategy. Canva Pro is a graphic design tool that simplifies the creative process thanks to AI-driven features. It offers a wide range of templates, design elements, and customization options. Canva's AI can suggest design ideas and layouts based on your preferences, making it accessible to individuals and businesses looking to create eye-catching visuals. ChatGPT. ChatGPT, like the one you're interacting with right now, is an AI-powered conversational agent developed by OpenAI. It's designed to engage in natural and meaningful conversations with users, providing information, answering questions, and assisting with various tasks. ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can be integrated into customer support systems, chatbots, and other applications where human-like text-based interactions are needed. These AI tools, including ChatGPT, showcase the incredible potential of artificial intelligence in various domains, from machine learning and data analytics to natural language processing and graphic design, making them essential tools in the toolkit of modern professionals and enthusiasts. So there you have it, folks. AI tools are the key to unlocking a brighter future. Embrace them wisely, use them responsibly, and stay tuned for more exciting tech updates on our channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.